Hey, want to make some spinach that's so tasty and so simple to make? Start off by preheating your oven. We have 3 generous cups of spinach. We're going to steam this over boiling water till it's tender, about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can chop some shallots and some green chili. So that's done. Set that aside, and our spinach is steamed. Take approximately half of the steamed spinach and we're going to blend this to a puree. Set that aside as well. You also want to chop up the remaining steamed spinach. Next, to a bowl, add 6 eggs. Beat this well. And to this add plain flour as well as corn flour. Beat again till there are no lumps left. To this add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Just give that a mix, and now we can add our pureed spinach. Whisk this well till incorporated. Now we can add the chopped steamed spinach. Along with the chopped ingredients, that's the shallots and the green chili there. And we're also going to add 2 to 4 tablespoons of grated cheese. I'm using mozzarella. Season with salt and pepper or your favorite soup seasoning. I like to add a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder and white pepper powder. Use what you like. Mix everything well together and add to a slightly greased baking dish. Optionally, you can add some chopped nuts over the top. You can use almonds or cashew nuts. Bake this for 30 to 40 minutes in your preheated oven, just till the top is set. Cut into squares and serve. Tasty, yummy baked spinach squares are ready. I hope you try the recipe. Bye!